Hey guys, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget. The city is chaotic and so is my life, so here is a vlog of kind of random days. Here we go. Hey guys, so I wanted to give a quick update for Rent the Runway. It turns out I'm going to a picnic tomorrow. I wanted to see if I could order something and it arrive in the same day. I'm sending back 2 of my pics so that I can get 2 new ones. So I'm gonna send back the leopard print skirt, which I wore and I really loved it. That skirt is really cute aside from the sizing. I just love the slits on the side. It was great for a warmer day the other day. And then I'm gonna send back the white and red outfit that I didn't really love. When you're in your trial period, you can swap out an item that you just didn't really mesh with without having to lose the exact number of swaps you're supposed to have. I just told them that it was fine, it's okay, because I actually am a little overwhelmed with the 8 choices. I actually think I'm not gonna be able to do 8. I'm gonna end up only having 6, I think, in this time frame. I think that's how it works. But I think that's okay because it just goes to show you I don't have 8 million things to go to. I picked 2 looks and I hope that one of them will look cute for tomorrow. And if not, I can just hold on to them for another day. Here are the 2 outfits that I chose. This is such a cute top. The event is actually themed and it's supposed to be green or yellow, but I just really like this top. I could probably make it work. This is a little green romper right here. So I'm gonna see if these arrive in time. It's supposed to come later today. Right now it's 2:27, so we'll see how that ends up working out, but this is actually pretty exciting to see. And then now I just need to send back this ASAP. So I'm gonna pack these up and send them back to FedEx. Okay guys, so it is 9:10 and I just got my outfits. They definitely left it like outside of my building. They didn't ring the doorbell or anything like that. So I'm glad that someone just didn't take it. That was so fast. So that took under 7 hours. So you can do same day, which I think is dope. Wait, why don't I just back up? That would be great. Oh wow, this looks like a totally different color. Okay, so, oh, this is so cute. This is a really nice fabric. I wanted to see how that would look in person. I do see like a couple of, you're not gonna be able to see it, but I do see a couple of frayed pieces right here, but I think it should stay on well. It's got a nice zip in the back, so I'm gonna try this on and let's see how it looks. Okay, I hope my background doesn't look crusty right now, but I just like turned this on real quick. This is so cute. Oh my God. It's not stiff material at all. It's actually like cotton. So this is not puff at all. This is just like cotton vibes. But it sits so well. This is a size small. I thought I would be fine in that, but it actually is a little bit loose. They have a zipper on the side, so it's really easy to get into. I just kind of stepped into it. But you could just zip on the side. But I love how it falls. Oh my God, this is so cute. You don't need to wear a bra because it's like just kind of nicely contained in here, but I mean, you could, maybe I would. I love that on the back there's some cinching as well, so you're just kind of like tucked in. I'd have to bend pretty far for you to try to even get a show, so I love that. That's really convenient. I can actually like lift my hands up, so maybe that's like a good thing. This doesn't match the theme necessarily of my friend's picnic tomorrow, but I really love this, so I'm like, maybe I'll just wear it anyway. What's up? This is the top. It's like hours later all of a sudden and I look crazy, but this is the next outfit. It's too big, unfortunately. A lot of the reviews had said that the straps were too loose and they absolutely are. This is a small, I'm pretty sure. So that's kind of a bummer. I would love to see how I can make this work though. I'm trying to figure out if there was a way that I could like put something here. Even just bringing that up a little bit totally makes it like 10,000 times much better. This is the detail up close. Yeah, I'm not sure how I can make this work, but it was a cute idea. Okay, good morning. Let's just ignore all this. Shirt can easily be casual or it could be dressy if I had like some nice heels or something like that. Here are a pair of jeans that I got from Rent the Runway as well. I'm just wearing them here at work. And then here's a random transition to when I moved everything out of my bed area so that I could dance for a self-tape. Just got my Pholk Beauty in the mail. I'm super excited to try these products out. I have some makeup on right now from a long day of dancing and sweating. And so I'm gonna hop in the shower right now. The best part about this cleanser is that a little bit goes a long way. You can see the small amount that I use and how much lather I get. Doesn't have that strong of a scent, which I like, and I felt like my face was really, really clean after. Now going in with the toner, definitely a lot comes out in the spray, so it kind of caught me off guard, but I actually really, really like it. So today's Saturday, and I just wanted to show you my new normal, which is like the deep shadows of not having sunlight. So it's actually 11:45, and normally there would be a lot of sunlight coming into my place, but now there is not because of all of the construction and the scaffolding that's put out. So I just wanted to show you. This right here is a blackout curtain, but now it's funny because it's even darker because of the giant scaffolding that's behind it. But yeah, this is my new normal. I have my acting class in like a couple hours, so I have everything kind of set up. I usually put like my laptop here, and this is my scene work in case I forget my lines. I normally don't use my light, but now that it's getting darker in here, I'm probably going to do that. So I'm glad I do have a ring light because it's definitely gonna make a difference. Yeah, here are all my dead plants. It's not working. These are supposed to be sunflowers, and I have a feeling I drowned those, as I've been doing a lot. Can't quite figure out how to do this whole plant thing. Then this one I think is probably dying as well, but I'm just like letting it hang on. So I just got a bunch of seeds from Amazon, and I'm just gonna keep on replanting. If anybody has any tips on plants and having them actually thrive, let me know. At least this Chinese evergreen is growing pretty well. But what is this? Does anyone know? I don't know. What is that? And is that like just kind of a different bud within the Chinese evergreen, I guess? After my acting class, I was up to the task of making cinnamon rolls for a bridal shower I had coming up. It was actually a really cute idea, but all the bridesmaids are bringing a dessert to share, and I am not the best cook, but we're gonna make it work. I had this grand idea to do cinnamon rolls, but obviously I didn't make them from scratch, but I wanted to make sure I had enough for a lot of people, so I wanted to cut them in half and make them smaller. As you saw, my kitchen is very small, so I have to do a little redecorating in order to have enough space to bake. So I just moved my dish rack out the way, clean off the area, and then I can get down to the good stuff. This is what it looks like, you know, because it's dough. You know, I just tried to mold it back together, but it was kind of hard to do that. So I'm gonna put this first batch in, and hopefully it plumps up to like a nice little mini cinnamon roll, and then I put the icing on probably tomorrow. Here's the look. I know it's probably very unconventional for a bridal shower because it's like dark colors and like my boots, but like it's cold, so I mean not cold, but I'm gonna be cold, I know that, so I have to dress accordingly. But yeah, I really like it. I'm excited that I get to wear it before I have to send it back, so that's really great. Just got back and I really love this with the leather jacket. I was walking down the street when I got back and I was like, this actually looks really cute. Like if this was like a fall day, like this is totally a New York look right here. So this was a definite win. I took the tank top off when I got there because it actually got really warm with the sun, so that was really great. And I'm excited to send this back and see what else is coming up. Here's another late nights on Instagram moments. I came across a page called Easy Plant where it's a plant that has like a self-watering system, and I decided to buy one, so here's me unboxing it for the first time. I'm really excited and looking forward to this. I just really would like to have a plant that thrived, so here is me checking it out, and hopefully I have something growing soon. This will be my first day with the Easy Plant. My first thoughts when I got this is that some of the leaves are like kind of I got it because it was just really rich looking, like rich in color, I mean. It says not to put it in direct sunlight, so that's great because I no longer have direct sunlight. Yeah. Setup seemed relatively easy. There's like a little place to put the water in. The only thing I just hated is that I had actually emailed the people today to be like, where is this plant? Because they had already refunded me the shipping because it was taking longer than expected. And then I never heard anything. I never knew anything about the tracking, so I was like, where is this? And then I just happened to go to my area where our packages are, and it was just sitting there, and I was like, how long has it been there? You know, so that was kind of a little wonky, and it's 16 ounces of water that it needs. So I actually think this is a really good size. I didn't want to go too tiny, and I definitely didn't want to go too big because I don't know what to do with that. It is a Calathea medallion. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I've been really inconsistent with my workouts. So this morning I just decided to wake up and get consistent. So I'm going to be jumping rope. If I can do it every single day, I'm going to go for it. I really missed it. I got together all the clothes that I was sending back to Rent the Runway, and I can't believe it was actually 4 pounds of clothes. I mean, that just seems like so much. Here is the end of my vlog. The variety of weekends and weekdays, all that in between, but I thank you guys so much for watching. Also, happy summer. Here's some beautiful views of Bryant Park. Summer is my favorite season. Comment down below if you guys are doing anything awesome this summer. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.